My beautiful and amazing people, where una dey make una come out make una come hear matter. Una see this life they say pay attention. When somebody dey tell una im own side of the story, make una dey pay attention because a day will come when you go later realize say that thing wey that person dey tell you, even if all 100% no be true, 70% fit be truth. Una remember when Reji come out come talk say she regretted everything, all the years of her life, 7 good years wey she spend with Ipa, and that she cannot really say wetin her eye see, but she sha know talk say nobody dey come dey flaunt their sadness for this media space. Rather, na the happy part wey dem know say you wan see, na im people go flaunt based on when they start dey drag her say when you dey chop money you call us, when you dey enjoy you call us. Na now wey sufferness don come, when drama don dey on ground, na you come dey call online in-laws. Na that time na she talk that thing. She come still add am say for Ipa house a lot is really going on. They have timetable for everything, including Nakademus. Say when e come reach where e reach, Ipa no dey gree go Nakademus order of im wives. Na she dey pursue am say make him go do the needful with others before others go come think say she use juju for am. Wey she come even dey advise people wey dey look up to her say if there is anything for this life wey you go do, take hold your man, make you hold am tight o. Make you no use, make you make sure say in the other room na you dey lead. E get why. Wey people bin come dey laugh that time say na wow, so Reji wan use Nakademus take finish Ipa. No wonder Ipa no wan use her play at all at all. So that aside, when she talk am say rules and regulation dey and a lot is really going on, because na person wey go na im know, who no go no go know. Person wey wear shoe na im dey know where e dey pinch am. When she bin talk am, people no wan believe until this particular, you know say immediately she left, na Ipa go Arise go talk am for Arise news say im pity for men wey dey marry one wife, wey dey stand on one leg. Thank God say im get plenty leg and im still get opportunity to marry even more. Im no cripple, nothing do am. Wey people dey tell am say im try, na man im be. Make im continue, im go see im repercussion along the way. Now, during that time, information still come say Ipa don go dey see another woman wey im wan marry. Even though the family of the woman say they don go do their findings, come find out say Ipa no be am at all, and that he has even gone to the extent of collecting Reji children from her hand, which shows how a bad person he is. The one wey come off them was when they come talk say Ipa come dey arrest Reji brother Sammy. He even wan arrest the mama join am, if no be the intervention of online in-laws. Na im dey say the family come say kai, their daughter never reach. Unknowing to them say Ipa and the girl they don dey do their do before even im come. Just the way im start dey do with Reji, allegedly according to the Reji, when he don dey do with her, because Reji talk am say she allege say Ipa bin don give her belle before they even rush do the marriage. Say along the line the belle come comot. Na Reji talk am o, no be me. So the same thing happen to this very lady too. Unknowing to the family, then wey dey try to protect their pikin, not knowing say the pikin don go do the do with Ipa, so tey she too she don carry the one wey she carry. Na im dey come call Ipa say talk, see o, our daughter say she don carry o, how you go do am now? And for our place na taboo o, big taboo. We no wan wahala, we no wan drama o. And again, but we no want. But wetin go happen be say since na you get am, you agree say na you get am, she go dey under us, you go dey take care of am. Na Ipa say no, for where im dey come from, woman no dey born for outside for am. Im must carry am enter house. Im no go gree make dem dey hold am for their own side unless no be im get the pikin. Na im dey come look left look right, dey say talk no wahala, Ipa come do introduction on top of the woman head. Allegedly, according to the story, he do the introduction, come carry the woman enter house. When he carry her enter house, they say no be small thing. Na the woman eye start dey see. She come hear the rules and regulation wey dey under one man roof. She first everywhere first blur. She come see children wey dey run around, almost 20-something children for one man under one man roof. She say she know say polygamy normally no be for the faint heart. She know say no be small gombe na im she come meet so. But last anyhow wey e wan be, e don sha be. Na im she dey o. Dem come say one fateful day, everybody get im place for dat house. Everybody get im own apartment. Everybody get im space. But e do am say na one kitchen na everybody go come meet theirself. Even if e go provide money to buy food stuff and everything. You fit buy your own beverages, put for your own side, for your own locker. But you see food stuff is a general dis thing. E dey for their store where they store food. You go just go there cook. But anything tea, biscuit and other things, you fit put am for your own locker for where you dey, where you fit access. But na one kitchen all of them dey. That is because na im wives dem na dem dey cook. Im fit get nanny, e fit get everything, e get cleaner, e get washer, e get this, e get that. But you see cooking, na im wives dem dey cook am. And they get days wey im dey eat this person food, eat this person food. But you, if you wan eat, generally you can go there and cook your food. According to wetin we hear o. Because me, I was thinking at least as a man of his caliber wey get mansion like that, wey everywhere burst, everywhere they say, everywhere they sparkle. Even though we know say na ancient of days wey make Reji no dey gree snap when she dey for the house. Na ancient of days cushion, ancient of days curtain, ancient of days things na im full there. Wey be say Reji bin go cook for kitchen one certain time, wey the online in-laws start dey laugh her say, which kind olden days pot na im be this one wey a whole celebrity like you, wey your husband na senator, which kind pot be this one? Unknown to them say na because no be personal kitchen wey be say you buy your equipment put. Na general kitchen na im make she no fit buy fancy pot wey dey get glass wey dey reign now. That one na public kitchen. Everybody can come there. So what is now the essence of buying a fancy pot wey make she, as they drag her that time, she can't stop to even dey post the kitchen wey she cook indomie, do wetin that time. As they drag her, ever since then, she no post kitchen again. Even the house, she hardly post. If it's either she comot she post, or she go hotel she post. She dey hardly post for the house because the house dey e fine o, everywhere burst o, but na ancient of these things na im full inside the house. Imagine dining table wey dey still dey cover am with cloth. This century wey we dey so, wey be say people dey use dining table wey na glass, everywhere dey sparkle. E reach e pattern, e own dining table, dey cover am wrapper. No be juju be that. So all those things put together, e reach the one wey Reji that time she no dey post for the house. So that one na im, when I wan try to say it is unbelievable say all of them dey use one kitchen, I come go dey remember all the scenario wey happen when Reji was there, wey make me come believe say it's true. There must be an outer of truth in this. So you know, pregnant women and their drama say once they always dey crave for something. They fit just wake up tell you say na lizard they want chop, where they put pepper well. They fit wake up tell you say na pepper soup na im they want, the one where they know where they garnish am with pepper, wey e no even get water inside. They fit tell you different things. So as they tell her rules and regulations, say see wetin they go eat, see wetin they dey eat for here, see wetin they dey eat for here. She come talk say okay oh, say see wetin she wan eat. She want eat this particular thing, and as she wan cook am to her taste, make it hot, make it from pot dey come. So as she come send make dem go market, make dem get her the things wey she need, all the pepper things wey she need to take cook the food. They don buy am come finish. She come enter inside kitchen to go cook. Na im dey say Leila come out from nowhere o, come tell her say no, it is not supposed to be. This is not the time. This one, that one. They no tell her. She no hear the rules and regulations, that she is just coming. That on a norms, as she's just coming, she's not allowed to start using the kitchen. She's going to be assigned with somebody wey go dey do am. Say and besides dem tell talk say na introduction na im dey do for her head, so she no go fit access the kitchen because Ipa and trust issue na 5 and 6. Make she no come all in the name of introduction, come put something for food make all of them perish. Say it's not supposed to be like that. Da. Na im she say she no come to cook for anybody. Na for herself na im she wan cook. Na im Leila say lai o, make she go call Ipa. Tell Ipa say na how they dey do am for here be that. Say they no dey do like that. She cannot just jump from nowhere and come and say this and that. She no gree. Na im the girl say no wonder wetin Reji use her eye see wey make her say she no do again. So na like this una dey do for here. Na true wey Regina talk say Leila wan be her mini her. She dey always copy her, dey always dey jealous of her, dey always do this, dey always do that. And of which she never lied. That is that how they do things here? So on her own now, she no go just fit wake up say this one na my husband house, see wetin I go do. So na so una dey do for here. Na im dey say the girl conclude within herself say lai, say once she just born like this, she no mind whether Ipa wan do single father or not. She dey drop am, catch her road, go face her life. Say she cannot cope with this kind of lifestyle. Say Reji even try when she even dey for 7 good years of her life. That she tried o, that she no fit try am. Una know say all this Gen Z nowadays, they no be everything na dem dey take. As Ipa too say e no go marry elderly person, say na children na im wan dey marry based on say im dey find veve. E don finally see am now. As Leila wan put hand for inside im eye, na im say lai o. E no go allow anybody put hand for inside im eye. Na wetin e like na im go do. Say once e just born like this, gbam, im dey catch im road. Make Ipa say before Ipa go even collect the pikin for im hand, na im go leave the pikin catch her road. Say because what is this? That the competition is just too much. The rules and the regulation is too much for one house. See different things, different calibers of things. Say wetin stop Ipa not to do as everybody get im space? Wetin stop am make im no do kitchen for inside, make everybody dey live im life? Wetin be general wetin? If person wan still harm you, e no go still do you wetin e wan do you? Which one be that general? What if as dem come dey like that so, person go cook, another person come go there go do another thing inside? No be that one na im bad pass? Say no, she no go fit stay at all. Omo, na wetin dey say e cause problem no pass this one o. My people, I say wonders e no fit ever end. Na eye wey see na im know wetin e see. Una don see am say true a lot really went on in Ipa's house. A lot really go down. May God come have mercy on us. Thank God Reji run for her dear life, because if not, wetin her eye for see, her mouth for no fit talk am finish. My people, na the matter be this o. I say make I come drop am for una o. Wetin una think say e go solve this problem now? Una dey feel say Leila too do overdo, abi na because of the law? Even she, the Leila too, she is not even safe. What are your take? You think say na out of jealousy or what? Drop your opinion for the comment section. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share, like for more like minds and more recommendation. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist. I'm going to bring una latest. See you guys in my next upload.